Hello everyone, today in this video we are going to learn how to find factors of 72. As you all must be knowing that factors are numbers which when multiply gives a product. For example, 3 times 4 is equal to 12. Here 3 and 4 are factors of 12. 12 is called product. Another definition of a factor is that if you divide a number by its factor, it will be divided fully without leaving a remainder. In this example, if we divide 12 by 3 or 4, it will be divided fully and remainder will be 0. So this is another way of defining a factor. So here in this video, we are going to learn how to find the factors of 72. So there are two methods to find the factors of a number. First is the division method and the other one is the multiplication method. There is a lot of similarity between both the methods. In this video, we are going to do the division method where we are going to divide 72 by natural numbers. Let us start finding the factors of 72 by dividing 72 by first natural number, which is 1. As we all know that 1 is a factor of all the numbers, so 1 times 72 is 72 and there will be no remainder. That means 1 is a factor of 72. So from this division we got two factors of 72, 1 and 72, and we are going to write 72 as the product of factors as 1 times 72, which is 72. Next we will divide 72 by 2. So 2 times 3 is 6. We got 1 as the remainder here and we'll drop down 2. So this is 12. 2 times 6 is 12. So here 2 we are not getting any remainder. That means 2 is also a factor of 72. So from this division process, we got two factors as 2 times 36. So 2 and 36 are also the factors of 72. Next we'll divide 72 by number 3. 3 times 2 is 6. We got 1 as remainder and then we'll drop down 2. So 3 times 4 is 12 and the remainder is 0. That means 3 is also the factor of 72. So from this division process we got two factors as 3 and 24. So 3 times 24 is 72. Next we'll divide 72 by number 4. So 4 times 1 is 4 and we got 3 as the remainder. Then we'll drop down 2 and 4 times 8 is 32. So 32 minus 32 is 0. So 4 is also a factor of 72. So we got two factors as 4 and 18. So 72 is equal to 4 times 18. Next we'll divide 72 by 5. 5 times 1 is 5. 2 is the remainder and we'll drop down 2. 5 times 4 is 20. We got a remainder as 2. That means 72 is not fully divisible by 5. Hence 5 is not a factor of 72. Next, we'll move on to our next number, which is 6. We keep on dividing number 72 by different numbers until we reach a point where we are getting repeated numbers or same numbers. So let's divide 72 by 6 here. 6 times 1 is 6. 1 is remainder. Then we'll drop down 2. So 6 times 2 is 12. And the remainder is 0. So 6 is also a factor of 72. We got two factors as 6 times 12 Next we'll divide 72 by 7. 7 times 1 is 7. And then we'll drop down 2. So 2 is a remainder here. That means 7 is not a factor of 72. Next we'll divide 72 by 8. So 8 times 9 is 72. And the remainder is 0. So 8 and 9 are also the factors of 72. Next we'll divide 72 by 9. So 9 times 8 is 72 and the remainder is 0. So we see we got two factors as 9 and 8, and we already got 8 and 9 in our factors. So we'll stop our division process here and we'll note down all the factors of 72. For writing the factors, first we'll write the first number from the product. For example, from 1 times 72 we are going to write 1. From 2 times 36 we are going to write 2. And so on. 2, 3, 4, 6, 8. Then after 8 we are going to write the second number 9, 12, 18 and so on. 9, 12, 18, 24, 36 and 72. So these are all the factors of 72. So this is how, by dividing the number, you can find the factors of 72. I hope this process is clear to you, and now you can find the factors of any number easily. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.